Aero-engine manufacturers face some of the toughest challenges in a highly competitive market. Not only do they need to develop greener and leaner products, their number one priority is still safety. Combine this with the inevitable profitability pressures and we have the perfect storm. But what if we could create more time to innovate, more time to focus on product safety, more time to develop efficient and competitive products? What if we could do this and reduce product costs at the same time? If we could eliminate late-stage changes resulting from manufacturability or cost issues, we could greatly improve our efficiency. This extra breathing space means we could focus more on world-class design and manufacturing technology with our finite and precious resources. Still focusing on product safety and performance, we could get more with the same team. This is why 2 of the top 3 aero-engine manufacturers worldwide turn to aPriori to gain valuable cost and manufacturability insight throughout product development, reducing late-stage changes and therefore delays, as well as reducing the cost of the final product.